Welcome back to a super prime time debate. The statistics here prove that you are really listening and talking on to this, hearing this conversation. And still number one trend nationally is the poll of polls. I thank you very much for our viewership. Our continuous coverage continues. At this stage now, the question is very simple. What will happen to Rahul Gandhi after the election? We had some perspectives here, and one question was asked whether the entry of Priyanka Gandhi as a bolstering factor could help Rahul Gandhi. Meghnad Desai disagrees with that. Meghnad Desai, why do you think so?
I think, having Priyanka Gandhi instead of Rahul Gandhi only postpones the crisis, doesn't actually solve it.
Yeah.
Because Congress party has got to become a proper ordinary party which has internal democracy. And if it is going to be a dynastic party, it will die with the dynasty's incompetence.
Well, I don't know. I mean,
there's too much. It cannot change. It will need the dynasty, and things turn around in politics. Nobody dies, and I'm completely against dynasty in principle.
But Sabha,
and I think the party
dynasties must deliver. What is the use of a dynasty which
please remember Sonia was written off.
It leads you to elections. Indira Gandhi.
The real challenge will be, and I ask this because there's no Congress person on the panel, but questions of resignation will come up.
Yeah.
And the question, therefore, DP Tripathi, that I have for you, and you've at least observed the Congress party for some time, the real test will be whether Rahul Gandhi resigns, A, and B, whether Sonia Gandhi makes Rahul Gandhi resign. I mean, Sonia Gandhi also, as the president of the Congress party, should therefore ask Rahul Gandhi to step aside, and not just a resignation drama, but a real resignation.
And were it to happen, then Priyanka could come in.
And then make a change. But what, yes. So can that happen, or is it too far-fetched, Mr. Tripathi?
No, the whole argument, Arnav, seems to be media-invented argument that if Priyanka replaces Rahul, what will happen? Now, I don't agree with this kind of a debate at all. Fundamentally, I'm saying, what is happening is the nature of the Congress party is such where I agree with Sabha. You cannot imagine the Congress party without the Gandhi family. That is the structure of the Congress party where it is. I mean, that is the political reality. Let's not get into all this. There are various kinds of problems. I agree with Lord Meghnad Desai. There are various factors that can be discussed. But most of the centrist parties in this country, except the left, has become individual and family centric. BJP is slightly better compared to others. And the left, of course, is out of them. Left is entirely different.
Devang, is that a position you are willing to accept? That there is no party no Congress party except the Gandhis, and if there are no Gandhis, there is no Congress party? Then what about accountability, and what impact will that have on all the people who are disappointed with the Congress?
Well, the whole point, on a serious note, the fact is that this proves the point that if the fact of the matter is that the Gandhi family is the glue around which the Congress party sticks, then it's a very sorry state in the 21st century, and this modern India is not going to buy that, and they will keep on losing elections, and their percentage of influence will keep on reducing with every election, as we have seen over the last 5 years, and with every generation. On the lighter side, my only advice at 10:40 on this long day to them is one of Rahul or Priyanka, whoever chooses, can take the Ted Kennedy route, be a backbencher, live the legacy of the family, and enjoy the rest of the life. Write a good biography, and that's it.
Well, you'd like to see that happen. You'd like to see that happen, Devang.
It will happen.
What will Modi like to see that happen?
It will happen on 16th May.
Will Modi like to see that happen?
I can't speak for Mr. Modi personally. I can only speak that this is the best route for the Gandhi family.
That's the best route. I'll give the last word on this debate.
It is good for the BJP if the Gandhis stay.
Yeah.
Why should we wish them to go?
Absolutely.
But on a non-lighter note,
one point very briefly.
On a non-lighter note, on a serious note, the BJP can keep taking dips, Sunil Alag, at the Congress party's attempt to shield Rahul Gandhi. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten what happened after 2009?
What?
Well, you got thrashed in the election.
So we got thrashed, but we never shielded anyone.
Yes.
Oh my God, you shielded LK Advani.
One second. Mr.
You
Modi
shielded LK Advani.
One second. Mr.
You shielded
Modi-
Mr. LK Advani.
Doesn't matter. Who has a right?
How did you
as a
shield
new
Mr.
leader?
LK
Only
Advani?
that.
Who has a right
There's
as
one
a
more
new
point.
leader?
Arnab.
No, one second.
One more point.
One more point. No, one second. DP Tripathi, setting the record straight.
You're forgetting.
DP Tripathi. Yes.
Just one more point I'm saying.
Yes.
One more point. When Congress got 22 seats in UP, everybody was praising Rahul Gandhi. So I agree with Sabha. Don't think it is end of the matter and this is over, that is over. It will depend in a complex country, big country like ours, on various factors which will come up. Okay.
So,
That's all I have to
One
say.
second. I get.
To be fair
One-
to
one-
the Congress party, one has criticized them and one has said that Rahul should take accountability. But after 5 years, who knows, anti-incumbency against the
Yes,
BJP
absolutely.
will come up.
So,
The same Rahul Gandhi will begin
So
to
what you're saying-
appeal
no,
to
no,
the
what you're
people
saying-
who can write
no,
that
no,
off.
no,
The same Rahul Gandhi
Navika.
would look handsome to people,
No,
would
no,
appeal to
Navika,
people,
not
would
saying
seem
that.
like the man with the Midas touch.
77. The Congress party will die. Neither will the BJP die. There was a time when Mr. Advani, there was a time for Mr. Vajpayee, people move on and change. Now you got Mr. Modi. There is no change in the Congress. It's only the
but
Gandhi
Modi is
family.
not
Maybe Rahul is young and will bring the change. Who knows?
Sankarshan.
In 1977, you called it the second independence of this country, which was rightly said. ठीक है ना? याद है ना आपको?
Yeah, but I'm not. Our
सुनिए
leadership
सुनिए सुनिए.
changes.
अरे please listen to me. I have not finished
We are
yet.
talking about the leadership now, not the party.
One
Yeah,
minute.
so Indira
One minute.
Gandhi
Just
came
listen
back.
to me.
Listen to
Do you remember 1980 what happened?
Yes.
You thrashed a lady, you brought her back Hatheli per. I'm not saying this is going to happen.
Ah.
But I am saying that the Congress party as an entity, political entity,
Respond.
cannot survive without the glue of the Gandhis. That is the nature of that party.
Exactly.
And that party, the country of this people have kept this party in power for 60 years. You yourselves keep saying it.
I am
तो
say-
कौन लेके आया था?
So what I'm saying is, with your
Maharaj,
one
आप लोग-
second,
But
I
all
am
have
not
voted this
disagreeing with
family.
the past.
Sankarshan.
I am not
Rightly or wrongly,
disagreeing with the
people have
past.
voted this family.
What Meghnad and I are saying, the future
Okay,
of
that
this
is your
one-
fervent
now,
hope.
Okay, I've heard
That
you.
is your hope.
Now, if there is a hope for the Congress in the future, they have to take into account a leadership change.
That the
if they are
Congress will
refusing
decide.
to take that into account,
That the Congress
and one
will
second,
decide. They have to
Indira
grow
Gandhi
beyond the Gandhi
Indira
family.
Gandhi for all
I-
actually led the party to win, then lost, then won. Until Rahul Gandhi doesn't take the Congress and becomes
Exactly.
the Prime Minister, then if he loses,
I'm
he'll
saying-
come back. But right now, he's done nothing. That's the point I'm making.
I
Don't
saying he
compare
has
him
done
to
something?
Indira Gandhi.
No,
Don't compare him to Indira
All
Gandhi.
I'm saying is that the nature of in the nature of Indian politics, parties dip, parties come back.
Of course, parties
dip,
will not get destroyed.
In 1984, you guys had got 2
But I'm
seats.
saying parties will not get destroyed.
Did you get destroyed when you had 2 seats in Parliament? You still came back and ruled this country.
We are talking about leadership, or we talking about parties? Leaderships change. If the parties don't get destroyed, I'm not saying Congress will be destroyed. If you are to survive in the 21st century, leadership has to change.
No, Suresh
The point
Prabhu.
I'm making. You don't
Suresh
have to
Prabhu,
accept
am
it.
I,
You don't have to accept
when I see the blogs
I
and the
don't see
recent
the Congress
statements,
surviving without
when
the
I read what Arun Jaitley writes, when I read what Mr. Narendra Modi writes, he's also blogged. The constant question, Mr. Suresh Prabhu, that all the top leaders, including Mr. Modi and Mr. Jaitley and all, seem to be raising is the question of the leadership of the Congress party. They seem to be always saying the Congress party should now make up its mind and change its leadership. And then they take a jibe that obviously the Congress party won't do that. My question to you is, if Rahul Gandhi is such a non-performer, right? And if Rahul Gandhi is such an abject political failure, then Suresh Prabhu, why is both Mr. Modi and Arun Jaitley nudging the Congress party to change the leadership when the existing leader should work very well? If the existing leader doesn't work, I mean, why would the BJP want a more effective leader to take over the Congress party when Rahul Gandhi is not delivering? Why is this issue being repeatedly raised by BJP leaders in your view? Suresh Prabhu.
I said that. Don't change him.
Yeah, see, this is the one of the most important reason is that both Mr. Modi and Arun Jaitley feel that we need a strong opposition in India. If we want a democracy to succeed, we don't want the other party to just wither away. we want to make sure that there is a strong opposition party which will keep check on the ruling party, whichever the ruling party, then today of course the BJP will be the ruling party. But the point is that shows the democratic credentials of both the leaders. If they would have felt, as you correctly pointed out, they would have said yes, continue with this. But the very fact that they are saying this only means that there is a interest for democratic institutions. So those who criticize Mr. Modi all the time by saying he's not democratic, you must give him credit by saying that he's the most democratic leader in India who cares for the opposition party also. So is it not something we should give credit to him for that?
My God!
Come on! Suresh Prabhu!
Won yet.
No, one
haven't won yet.
Arnab,
The results
this is-
are only coming on the 16th.
No, 1 second. This is one election, Arnab, where I have not seen greater concern of the Congress for BJP leaders like Mr. Advani and no greater concern for the BJP. We are now suddenly concerned about other parties.
Devang, mystery of the day. Mystery of the day. The BJP. 1 second, let Devang answer the last question before I hit the mystery of the day. BJP extremely concerned about what's going to happen to Congress party. BJP urging the Congress party to address the issues of leadership. BJP worried about what will happen to the Congress party under the Gandhis. Top BJP leaders writing, blogging, expressing their concern for the Congress party leadership. Tell us what's going on.
Arnab, thanks for the fact that apart from being a national spokesperson of the BJP, I am also a lawyer, so I will take the fifth on that question.
You'll take a?
The fifth.
The Fifth Amendment.
He took the fifth.
I'll keep quiet on that question, Arnab.
Well.
That's an Americanism, not an Indian thing, isn't it?
Yeah, but we are moving ahead. The
We're going
BJP.
to
I agree. Sabha,
I
thanks
call
for
that-
reminding.
BJP moved ahead.
You know, he's on the Ted Kennedy fifth.
I call that. Listen,
Devang is on a totally American metaphor tonight.
listen. I am an Indian, not an American, and I call that a duck. I call that ducking the question. Anyway.
I'm ducking,
he's
yes,
taking the fifth
because
against
sometimes
the
it's
fourth.
better to duck.
Okay, now, ladies and
you're
gentlemen,
taking
before
a
I go
fifth
into the
against the
break,
fourth.
I'd like to summarize the total number once again. For all our viewers, I'd like to summarize the national number right now. Once again, the national number in the poll of polls, which is believed to be the most expected situation, 292 NDA, 101 BJP. Individually, you can keep breaking up that number, but a big story is being told there. In terms of seat share, the story for the NDA is terrific. The story for the UPA is very bad. Let's go into a quick break, and then we'll wrap up the Super Primetime edition this evening.